Step into a world where golden sands whisper secrets of an amazing past and ancient pharaohs' voices call you to solve the puzzles they left behind. Join us as we explore the secrets of ancient Egypt and start our exciting journey across fascinating landscapes as we discover the secrets of the pharaohs. Subscribe today to become part of our exploration team and learn about the interesting history of this civilization. Our videos will have you on the edge of your seat, from amazing pyramids to complexes. Don't miss out on any exciting discoveries. Immerse yourself in the rich texture of ancient Egypt by subscribing now. Let's go on this fantastic adventure together. Egypt is well known for its stunning vintage structures and antiques. The Giza pyramids, King Tut's golden mass, and ancient inscriptions continue to surprise and delight people all over the globe. However, new finds from archaeology indicate that Egypt still has many mysteries that have yet to be discovered. In this video, we will learn about some of Egypt's buried riches and the continuous attempts to find this ancient civilization. Archaeologists continuously discover fresh finds that provide insight into everyday life in ancient Egypt. A French-Egyptian team discovered a 4,400-year-old painted tomb near Luxor in 2019. The burial site included heavily decorated walls showing banqueting, making pottery, and boat processions. This provides a unique look into the rituals and activities of wealthy Egyptian people during the early Middle Kingdom era. Archaeologists from the University of Barcelona showed a shocking find near the Giza pyramids in 2020, an undamaged 4,500-year-old brewery dedicated to beer manufacture. Over 40 mud brick houses with many handmade ceramics and stone implements were found on this clean site. This Neolithic brewery, the earliest industrial beer facility discovered to date, showed that beer production was a significant economic and social activity in ancient Egypt. Despite centuries of digging, Egypt still has numerous unknown tombs and temples under the desert. For example, cutting-edge technology might aid in discovering 60 additional unknown tombs in the Valley of the Kings. Egypt's villages and cities offer a similar amount of potential. The majestic city of Memphis, home to amazing royal palaces, was the ancient Egyptian capital. However, nothing is visible on the surface today besides a few decomposing buildings. Archaeologists are beginning to assemble what Memphis may have looked like in its prime because of mysterious hints. New satellite footage has shown the outline of large fallen structures buried under the modern metropolis, leaving most of the city undiscovered. Meanwhile, underwater archaeology transforms our knowledge of Egypt's long marine traditions. Over the last decade, discoveries such as the deeply buried Greek shipwrecks at Alexandria Harbor and the remains of a 4,000-year-old wooden vessel near Aswan have shown that boats were essential for river and ocean travel. Moving ahead, integrating traditional digging methods with new surveying methods, such as 3D scanning and international cooperation, will aid in the faster discovery of Egypt's enormous history. Global projects that digitally archive sites and buildings will boost archaeological support networks. Strengthening interests, sharing skills, and financing guarantee that Egypt's long-buried secrets continue to emerge, immersing us deeper in this epic story of early human civilization. With discoveries resting peacefully underground for millennia, the nation's remaining unknown hidden treasures enhance respect for our common cultural history. Finally, Egypt's ancient legacy remains mostly unknown after centuries of investigation. The findings of ancient Egyptian civilization are expanding due to ongoing tests throughout deserts and oceans, as well as new equipment. Each discovery gives important clues to understanding this major civilization and recognizing our ancestral roots. The buried treasures have tremendous potential to further our knowledge of humanity's origins. Egypt's treasures continue to reveal riddles, attracting new academics to get involved in the hunt for buried wealth. Traveling in Iceland is a mesmerizing experience filled with awe-inspiring landscapes. From glaciers to waterfalls, volcanoes to geothermal springs, Iceland offers a unique blend of natural wonders. If you're seeking an adventure off the beaten path, we highly recommend watching our next video on discovering the serene landscapes of Iceland. It will transport you to this serene land and inspire your wanderlust. Don't miss it.